You guys, I was once told that the grass looks cleaner on the other side of the fence. And that simply means, in simple terms, it simply means that, you see, sometimes there are things that you might think that they are pretty straightforward at a distance, only to find that if you come closer to them, you see, for instance, these exercises I'm doing, you might think, Python is pretty straightforward, right? As a beginner, you might as a beginner, you might think that, right? Only to find that when it's time to do an assignment or solve a problem, you get to have hard time. Okay, so that is why I dare all of you guys to make sure that you practice as much as you can. That way, this stuff is gonna sink on your memory. Just by watching me doing these problems will help you much as it would if you do things yourself too. Okay, enough talking. Now let's continue. So again, I'm displaying the sequence of numbers starting from 8 all the way to 89. It's just that I'll be playing around with my the only difference with this problem here and the previous one will be on my range function. I just thought I should start from 100, go all the way up to 0, incrementing by 2. In fact, that's this right there is this problem number 6. Okay, we're displaying 100 going downwards up to 2, including 2. Okay, so I'll simply display I. Let's hit the run button and see what we get. That's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'm gone.